Engineer Your Life. That podcast.
Engineer.
He's an engineer, Mara. I love to run a podcast. So his podcast is called Engineer Your
What's
Life.
the difference between me and him? Because
You only if you Black Couch, I feel Engineer Your Life. That's what's up.
Between him and I, not
Shut up. Sorry. Now I have to pretend like I like you, but it's
no.
fine.
The thing is, recording actually area me food.
I don't know. Like, so like I'm a good person and you're a good person.
You're not a good person. I'm the only good person.
And then the only children are so people don't know.
Home. What did you do? WhatsApp is your boy beat out?
Nah, cut.
Nah, I was gonna say right. Cut. Ardo foot.
Cut. I'm going to raise up a but you
Oh, go yeah. So,
boy.
what do you do, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Black Couch Diaries. So, I'm saying, I got the one Nepalese hub. So, roaching our background, and I mean, the green screen is what is going on.
Wow.
In here, I see teacher the guy. Man, I was full of when first.
Name one of the
So, anyways, guys, like I said, Lens Up Studios. You can contact them on 081-437-4775. But as a photograph, I don't want to photo shoot with
Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna do one?
Definitely. It's just that you're dropping on a baby. I think so.
Why do people do that actually?
Also, okay, then I don't believe Kabaroi, but then I just feel like the minute you want to do something good or you're expecting something good and then you announce it, it goes bad. You've noticed, right? With anything in life.
Not
so I just feel like, in most cases.
From other people, not
next. It's chai. So I'd rather just have my baby in silence.
Okay,
But I September.
Or those shoot close range page. Podcast is close range. Those in the tomb. They won't take screenshots.
Exactly.
So yeah.
No pictures, no face, no case. Anyways, yeah. Welcome to the Black Couch Diaries, guys. The episode meaning
20.
What?
Wait, 20.
Oh. Episode 20 in 2024. Come on, somewhere. No, you're at a bar. It felt like bars.
If you like your real estate exchange phones, that's a bar. Joseph Dari. That's a bar. So guys, I wanted a new town 66 Car Street. So yeah, like me, how are you? I also got Jenna and get I'm
okay, thank it's whatever. No,
so
like I'm just asking.
I'm always good, man.
Academically?
I can't answer it.
Oh, okay. I guess it's
not even academics.
I like this year. You. The whole independence thing.
Kapu.
Yamini.
That's what mean.
How's we gifted that?
No, that's too bad. That's fast.
Carol boys, it's good for you. My gang, I have those already, man.
Call you put into.
Don't you tell me?
Don't this as Carol boy. If me Carol boys.
Don't this
I didn't do as you more. Okay, come a couple of more Carol boys in this
something, guys. Can I just go like something very small? I'm at adulting is messing me up. No, go F word. That's how bad it is.
You can use it, man.
Yeah, it's fucking me up. It's eating me up.
Maria, one out water, so
like it over kindness. So it over. Like
yeah, direction.
It was really was adulting at this point. Like it's having me every day. Every day I'm shocked. I'm like, Really? Okay. Oh, actually, I'm roto. Wow, great.
unachirengerwa ngamuntu zvamba
No, ndandichimurenga mara zvinhu zvinoita zvirengesa zvodhara, and I'm just like, it's like my bills are a lot, and I'm just like, ndizvandomangara. You know, ndichivhura mapfura ndaimangara opera. I was like, oh, all right, zvamunhu musi ari kodhora chitiri tichimura robhaurwa ku.
tsatsanobaurwa funa
Ndisangopenga ndina zvinokatulatory ndostokesa. But I'm just giving examples of how independence is like crazy. But anyways, rodova right gan ingasisvike June rizongopopa.
junior kopopa kechi junior
Where
kopopa
you go, buddy?
And
But
then-
you know how crazy it is with March Yozika? Like, do you realize March is next week?
What's
And-
happening in March?
No, I'm just saying how fast the year is moving.
How
We
comes
just
Zanika-
arrived, bro. It's your birthday tomorrow.
but any birthday no oh guys munoba ndi birthday yampo
And the rhythm.
no namziri kochita birthday ndi machero rine munoba ndi birthday ya
Drop. Oh, it's Saturday. So what
wait
are we
when's your
doing?
birthday Saturday
What are we doing on Saturday?
look at me
Ndinyo, what family?
go receipt
Never Saturday, that already.
ria rmc yawa 5 years nachiredi guys
Nansieni.
rikouya rigo receipt ti
Don't send us nepe, guys.
ndinoona story wangu rirosenderiwa ndaroona zvistori simple as that yeah so guys rina machero kwaguri receipt so yay the first
If you not chat, I'm going to bar. You're going to be professional.
no,
I'm
the
number
thing is,
one.
ini ngofunga rine chiri nachiri vari kamba ri broke totally
Sunday. Oh,
ri vari nayo ine
damn.
yotakadza vangana
Yeah, I know, but when we're broke, one has a million, so it's okay.
no not million iwo
No, come on, only when you have a for uchaya.
Yeah, true.
So uchaya and was uchaya, and then uchaya totally.
yeah so nandikodiri like ndikuzomwa kugidhima mona like
Yeah.
ri kutovhoshuta zvezvino
Also running over, so
ai mari azi kubvapo
really.
naura rovhura ngamanga january hadhoo machina musi hadhoo february
Oh, you are so dumb, bro.
saukuma mari and then speaking of adulting man zvenandikahamba nami unoona season 2 yeadulting
Yes, I'm watching it.
And
And
what
I'm
gives it a
loving it. Ndivona kadhwala neyadropa, so I'm always avapire.
naskipa chero dynamics
Asikantu apa. Sikamapungo.
aunandro ade hr after me
Romubona kopfuka.
avave free tiworidhisanga studio chavo
Yeah, as long as azibheka camera yanga, thank you.
yeah so I was saying adulting ndandikovona helantu
Right.
there's a lot happening man like chimwe chikuita atidhivi
But I love how relatable it is.
how do you relate
No, I'm just saying irrelatable. Okay, look at how it's a group of 4 friends. Vane mwana mwa una vichuro hawe are different, and they, like literally when you nichibona mti wabo una mtu mti that comes to your mind when you see. Okay, I don't know about you, but now when I watch it, I can literally say to myself, "Oh, you know, it reminds me of
okay, who are you
whosoever."
in that squad
On
because definitely not bonga
definitely not VU.
as
Definitely not VU. So Javonga watch that time. Ngoto jiwe kuni akati dingaifana.
no tell me how do you think you are mpo
Ndingavandili Gwen. Okay, utori voti it is illegal. But I feel like the hustling part of it is definitely me, because Mpo is a 9 to 5 guy. Bonga is
He has
in
a tender
tenders.
now.
Ndio kuchipengisa. So okay, I've tried that as well. So
one episode was it 8 did you 8 9
Ati ndezvepindi beyond.
ila that ya chat evela uchotangana sa side chick na mimi
Oh, chikomdzolo worker relax.
chosukurari chona
Chodha. Vachikochitsema. But
nenda ndani nampo wenisa kwa wait wemponisa kwamba na musi mara zvinozviamba bechazo utonga ntwini
chimuma.
so ni sorted ndi right ni happy
Now when I sit up straight with the funeral for Peratanga, of which I am, that's
ni happy birthday
tanga kaiswayane. Kumla tanga ayayani rdosari chipesanga chachu, because why?
chashunanyi
Nampor babiri.
nifunesa zvikipa zvantwini
Kumla chikipa chaka chika chikipa changu.
ndai ani nkumbuzi
Choneni.
ngori chigai chivenda
Wow. Kuri ni chichushuru.
back to adulting yeah series
What were they still saying? Oh, nani kori no bona episode mini. 8.
nani kambori ni relate to those guys
I don't know uri nne muṋe ndi nga to ḓivhea gai hune nda tovha maybe arali vho vhasidzana I could say nne ndi houḽa but in
okay
that
ndi
case
mufhio mungana waṋu no relate na view
why ndi khou tea u amba madzina a vhathu mara athina mungana
it's just saying mungana wanga ni una fashion sense yavhuḓi
tshina fashion sense yavhuḓi ifhio tshiḽa tshithu
ini tshi ri view must kona amba uri upfi view kana be una view
zwezwo ndi khou amba like in a way you're vana blesser like female blessers and stuff so I wouldn't have. Oh, really? Nice. I mean, that's what describes him. That's his character on the show, but it's fine. Yeah, so I don't know, man. But I love it. Personally, I feel like it's good. It's good content for South Africa.
Okay.
For SA, it's good content.
Would you watch it with your mom?
Oh.
That's one thing I've realized. Zwinzhi zwa showmakes ani maḓuvha ni nga si zwi vhone na mubebi. And then I'm singo vhona dzibola dzedzi.
Na mini nne ndi na miyanga ndi focusa vo Real Housewives izwi ndi zwone zwine nda vha isa khazwo because it's clean Mummy Club hey hangeni zwi nga vha 10 tsiluṅwe sitting room yoṱhe ni nga ri fast sitting room
toilet okay I think ndo angwa something kitchen avha ri ndi dzhia ni tshi vhuya ni tshi khou ri ni khou vhuya avha khou dovha kwesini I'm like
no man I don't think I would but it's a good show I love it
yeah it is a good show like
the storyline
yeah now you got the because on that thing chine ndo pick up mostly ndori those guys are different like you said I think you said it also mara abatongelani ndi ala mautane like ndichira batongelani ndi vanhu ndiko ambesa nga maanḓa ka upfi nyuno ni wachigebenga na
chigwena
like that guy ndo zwi realize mulova even though naka season was just chitea or they actually go to his house to chilla and then for someone ane ringa ri sokudzura ari sokuri senten for example anga sinya ku edzura Alex maybe about to chilla mara those guys they go out there and ba supportana ka chimwe na chimwe
and na musi vodzura a uno ri khou tea u seiwa joke ya bonga because he has money like view wa kona vhudza bonga uri ni songo npengela do you understand I feel like that's what makes it
kozumblori ala moti zvino a chingela zwa ukumba like nga zwa ukumba
what vhudza fino je khotsiam zvino vachiro va obudza fio just like your dad
ofumeni pana betu una imwe ndaivona man I don't know what bonga said ka view amba zori ngara zvo ringisa mbili ngoringisira mablessa like those cougars then achipindura view ari feel kazokhotsa ari vakufuka na vile I'm like
so ahuna boso like money doesn't make you different and that's what I love about them okay maybe I'm to one the last episode but ozama u change abangana bonga ayadzula na like big guys that were talking about tenders and whatever he literally got bored the whole time he was thinking sort of and then he thought maybe let me try something else the golf but he was just not relating he literally left that party he was like WhatsApp group
WhatsApp group
they do every friendship is we don't know WhatsApp group
you don't
great
we
do me and my friends do
hey mara no
you should have a WhatsApp group
why
ijoke ukaijena upetuti una zvimwe zvithu zvine ndikunyanga kubvudza vangana vanhu vachifunga chiti ende kana zvimwe zvithu zvikuseisesa you can't forward to 5 people
the thing is neredzwa rot tiri nerothe rijobeg
you get it
venda
namusi vavhenda mara zvino nditogidima naye fleteni yampo nikomusumbedza joke mimo
no ari tugidima ratantu
ndoita minini
ndoita minini varodichilela campusini
nidzula nochila campusini veyosvikira usiku joke yajana nga 12 am
nerichama yendo kusvika there that's the thing
you know what whatever
ndivudze niwanivudze vangana vane jobeg navo
vabve Cape Town vade jobeg
va Cape Town namungano veri Cape Town
nanudzuraga
muti zvino kuti yakatira vote vari venda
okay asi vote vari venda
7 venda nanu Cape Town
ndiyarevenda
nyavadiva tinyangoita name drop
everyone is here
ne vangana vanga vote mfina nukuvuya
ene avudzwi chithu
nani ndachidwa ndakuti chevo zvama now that mpost zvama I'm like why not
ene ushu uba ngapha kana ushuma kamrao ka decide anyways cut
ula mwana vinyi na chivinyi cha chimwana chaine lauti yachigeve chikoningisa zvino mani
chejami yacho
chikobora
no but it's
charisana kalapike guru
mara it happens though
where
like either what is teenager zichitobore ziyapenga like honestly that's what's happening they feel very entitled vapfungari they're always right they think ngovashengedza it's just
do you think venda rina genge so majita aso ane ofarana ngawo mara vakuitela zvine vaitwa ngavo vonga
I think so
KP group
Atingazi to pinpoint to repair mara zvingazibari group untiga nambiri, don't you
Yeah,
think?
Vazonzo maybe.
Ati divangana vazonzo. Ndiki ndiponyimangana vazonzo.
Ndimona nasikero pedzi most of the times.
And are they not almost I mean about levelency or something, I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know what Skero does, so I wouldn't know. But no, I think he like genge yone ngore.
Ndiyabona zvinepate sazvo inichira ndichitu azadari danawo zviro.
Nonomona kwamshimoni.
Last week before you tauri, kana ndori mini in passing. Ari nori mini ndari ahuna. Then he was like, "Ah, those far shoot."
Wait, so no yana mwana, do you know what he does?
That's tiri in person.
Oh really?
No,
I've seen him a couple of times, but I don't know what. But Inga's body group. Okay, maybe I feel like Nayanga. I feel like batong kondere ngori. I feel like I am the kasi guy in that group because everybody else seems to be doing well, and then there's me. Another go jiwa, agombro jiwa.
Jambo ni destined for go 325. Kubi manyana na.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because that one.
Kunumisa.
Kunumisa. Yeah, I don't mind. A couple of years wouldn't hurt.
What's the worst thing you would do for money? Because BU na zinaita.
What's the worst thing I would do for money? Definitely I wouldn't kill. I don't have that courage.
Oh, that's not the worst. Maybe killing is not the worst.
Killing is the last thing. What's worse than killing someone? Raping them is not worse than killing them.
Yeah, that's the worst.
The killing is literally the worst.
Let's not go there, Mara. That's worse.
What's worse?
Raping. At least offer.
No, angapora somehow angahangwa achibuya urepiwa ti
Mara offer has the or hello to I mean like,
Mara no cut up chura was short.
Raping kwifa. Like each and every day like hello to rape amamga. Hello to
then
each and every day.
Hadda mumtukanana ni fara hadda mumtukanana then treat better na angwa papedza bwangwa some not uribangwa instantly but it fades.
And now I'm in my partner ti actually faranyana songa chanda na nutomombulula.
Not ushikera.
Yeah.
Not ushikera. Because the una bango banebo no rape mara now they're in love and they're doing well, you know, it's all good.
Anyone?
I'm just hey, I've seen Kazi podcast. That's good.
No,
twins. Hey, but no, now I'm married, I've got kids, I have a lovely what. So you do move marazobre way.
Yeah,
like there's nothing else you can do.
What's the worst you would do?
I wouldn't. I don't think. If there was something and that no cheaters no deny so I wouldn't definitely be a VU. I wouldn't do that.
Why not, Mar?
It's just not my character. Like I don't know. I think
you do drugs maybe.
Nah.
Now do a heist actually.
I wouldn't. Because I would always think of, is it worth it? No, and what would it be worth it?
Yeah, Mara.
Because I am definitely not going to jail.
It's a 50-50 thing. Heist ningadi run up pumelana say na 50 million.
Mara netinya again is it's a 50-50 thing. Like I don't want that. Chances of me going to jail, never. Anytime.
Heist. Ningatontsumba shim.
Camera.
I
don't think I would pull it off. Also, India made a blind, so I wouldn't. So maybe you get to cut the show. Cut the show. Cut.
No, if right now summer, then
it's okay. It's fine. Let's do it in December. If I end that food, back. Wouldn't be bad. Didn't was I am Rava Falan Gondamet.
No, didn't what it a mail. No, I'll go for Britain.
I'm a tap. No, tap, guys. Yo, board kesana.
Yeah, the one is going body tambak this is Lamra.
Nigeria.
Not yeah, so Bafana funny in this. Then you then and I think it was the second time because we push coffee and South Africa's national anthem is the best in the world. It has been voted the best. Then they realized Jambori, we forever gonna be the best. Because national anthem might change. Jambori in the hour they each and every year. Don't you think?
Who vote every year?
Even if we vote, then
I don't think Arizona is going to vote where it's a change. Like, why would we host
Jambori,
the same awards?
it's a final thing. Uska Shangoli chitopera.
Yeah, whatever.
Those rory and if mean to your best.
And you know, Takara national anthem, crime, you think
Ghana.
Yes, I did you know the Ghana.
Got them to possess.
I told David to generate. ndiyahangwana mzidi chirumerisi kuti ndikotofundura sometimes
nyakona machigananyana
just a couple of words
zoambanyana
like your atisei is
atisei
you say atisei
narimini
atisei it's
atisei
like how are you and then you say aye and then
aye zambori chichangana chigana chishangana chigana
oku podcast kakutovhariwa relate zvikamera zvikoromulolobora
no mara do amba mamwe fena madiva
I think I know
how do you say I love you?
Yeah, that's Mudau.
Midobo.
Wanopanga bona na fawo ikalukona Mudau.
Midoho.
Yeah.
Oh, Mudau. Mudau, guys. Subscribe Mudau.
Bro, I can't deal with you. I can't do. Mara zvinji ndiye gudiswa ndavondo wangu.
Ndiye wana fila rice. Ritoshimisa neri kuti iced. Rita, reveri kama chigana. Nusina mtu nokopfa chitu.
Baba phone yara vabudzisi.
Mkala. Nitwe nomboro dzauri tichivafonera.
Ndiri vafuna ndimwe ndiyapeka nyofuna kutsaka ine dzanza kutsia ndomba.
Tinda ngobva kereke kutsia ndonobva ngazva chiganga zvagana.
Ndikobva kutsia ngazva kereke. Kutsia ndimfunzi.
Bato pamtu wa kereke kutsia ndintwini.
Baba kofunza Mpumalanga.
So kujera guys
inomba zvokutsia zvagana why ini Mpumalanga kutsia
ndivagana.
No, you know everyone must know kutsia Mpumalanga.
Marko sana nganga mushumo.
Mara ndinopanga muratu wangu.
Gananga mushumo.
Muratu wangu uri wakubia nantu na shower.
Nditsira makonde gananga mushumo.
Ndopanga muratu.
Nditema yangu yojena kapara. Kavandira.
Inotakaresa.
Yofokomba uri R524 windio tsisikanisa tsari tiulela pati yori kama mbone mabode varuzori wendi ku
tsara makone
teri mido kasa jamanga ba baby
inindi indotomende
ndiyasarana mbaby wana
ndinadhibana litini kasi okay let's make ari bitch muntu anodotumamba kambaby ukuiteme kambe urikobhecha chere ndingodompa chere
anodotomamba ngababy ukushuta yete podcast ya 3 hours nonguramba
obviously you would pull it off because niyabara da
no
I wouldn't pull that off
ningazviita ini
ndikamba 3 hours and then ndisapomuri
ai
ndozvombengera mama
muna riva ridironitusa abino rawawedza muna wanu zvino nadhanika kolona yechinoita ntu richitopedza shuta apa ndinofara phone inonasi muchapuwa chajara arise panza Edwin Sodi wakudya zvitu ini
Edwin kava mujere
why do people
from what I've heard is una vatu vane nawana voita dzitenda and then vava overcharger maybe houlani watovasingoita do you get it like okay let's say okay sazvila zvila zvobva zvamimask uchipfi nguvona mask urengwa nga 70 cent mutu aucharger 5 rand achikuti uisa ya 2000 that's a whole lot of money right
wait sorry nikomangezoti yala yescom unezila dzini gada apana ita 80 rand builders nti ufika ichajwa 80000
that's my nigga
so 160,000 manager miviri 160,000 I think somewhere there if ndikozvipa
and I wanna yocherede exactly so let's look at
I wanna peda supply
that's the problem zvino iwane nini supply ini lechinchi I mean what do you have to lose nivanoita still nivanoita chirede inji flopo zvino ndimuzine iwana nasiise mari ari noiwana naisati auna muthu ananganisengisa because yosainiwa yoaproviwa tinotobida zvaapproviwa zvasainiwa nabhadheriwa
maybe problem ndiori ini ndinorarisoti someone is gonna bid say 200 million ti ina ani kuti mubhitola mzvamo ndingasokudanari 199 so anichena chance choula unless if you're gonna be the threshold naita 300 chitozosvindozvananga 150 at least you have 150 million
exactly
mara hola nikuteurwa namuthu ane ukathreshold ange pasi
marolani zvosaisavo ndizvimwevo like it doesn't matter what's happening marotoyoisa alachinji
no I feel like he does start all these things just that hapedzi
wasvika une ava greed I think zvanichiri watoma nekwamuri oisa nikepungana hams
no yenikep I'm not sure if you're doing
you're not sure you're just saying what there's something
yeah
like
I just know what there's
mara hola
something
that's
about
his problem like delivery and then now
okay cause wakuringisa mention anga 75 million if you have it ndikama zva highest
mandigaunena ngaiphula highest notoiwana 75 niwanondojena ka ATM ngani definitely not 3 4 5
SARS Reserve Bank straight So like yeah, wako siza the 75 million nazigolowe na the company. So I'm like,
But I don't think I actually had this chat with someone, right? And we were talking about it last night. Ori, definitely hanga drosara kaziro. Like,
someone na company.
Does it matter? We're talking about
No, we're going to go oh, your friends and what was smart.
Na Brian ngamun ngasimdeep.
Wow, okay. Nikofuna smell champo. Awam dio Brian.
So much smiling. No? Yeah, so we spoke about it. Definitely una zuzine oitanga madzina, probably the kids or whatever. Hanga drosara kaziro. It's not that dumb. What do you mean I've shared you?
Okay, no, if one underage Maria.
Yeah, already underage kids. And ndikadijia na cousin yanga kana muntu ane hadi vinozuru na company yo mtu. You know, ndamuitera and then have whatever. So I feel like he did a lot of that. He's not stupid. He knew his day was going to come. I was going to say somehow oba kobebeya nor onole sanji. He's not that dumb. I believe angas doro wabia kaziro. He's probably just going to lay low. Odoro bia kana to lay low. I mean,
kana wabia kaziro ndise muti.
Because we don't know where he is, we don't know what he's doing. Unless I don't know when I started, I never say a bridge. That's when you're like he's on a zero. But if you can't see him, he's probably in a good if you can't see him, he's probably in a good mansion somewhere, minding his business. Ruguri wana fake check into the zvipa.
Nani munene di check. So simple stuff. Ninge ngodiva zvizvo dwiniso wedivane ndivakure. Mtu wamakorera wonene pa.
About the makorera lini.
Hangori the makorera. Obva hone aitira ndo.
It's okay guys.
Kola fistos wamakorera.
No, really I claim not mane rekiriki do okay guy, but it's okay. Oh, but it's fine.
So hey, like case into the agent. Automa wadwa ntia tender ya 282 million no ndia zvino ni. 282 million. Adengapenga.
Dude, what would you do?
How you upgrade a prison, mamuna?
What would you do first?
Nga 282 million. If I wanna.
Okay, let's say 282. If you're doing things right, let's assume profit yana 200. Can I 200? What would you do nga 100 million? Yard of your jena zina parodzras.
Profit. Yeah, general so obviously. Ndikutotakuwa. Vadrumangara podcast 20 minutes about. Uri goita mini. So kum. Camera.
Same. Nana ndati mari zokunodzuri sei. Ndare yodara mngana.
Ndish
chotuma ndidobva biko. Ti? Ndatoshima ndaimanda. No, nendi mumbulwanga kana also maybe therefore notungo ndatuma ndava ndikuumbura uri did I see what I saw? You know, ndatuma relax afutoma because ningazigidimira mashopo.
Tadaro kuniseza wafa barabara. Wafa ningiza zinaita man.
Uko podcast ku wiki but 7,000 prescribers ni mini.
Sokorandi mupangira gate ya.
Listen offense.
Tito tomanga gate.
And baby, ningo shoot north next week.
Ningo baby.
Gate la juli pango nganyi. Ngane.
Amkara.
Azim baby wanga.
Hoy. Mkara bakasiba ka country binga swinga.
Ningo lipanga lenzo. Ningo lipanga. It's nothing. Ne divela mi dire oro gate. Lichikiwa.
And they watu abajini ngamapungu.
Abakasikake.
Bajina nga gate straight. Nango sina fence. Yeah, mara ni mikwa.
Mikwa ichita nduluko kierwa.
Mara 100 million. Wait, enough 100 million. Ningaita chafumi. Hey.
Hey, ndi ukachafumi ka
100 million mama.
Kakirkinti.
Chafumi chiso.
Ndingari Okay, yes, okay, maybe ndingabapha 7 bishop, see? Ndingabapha ku 7. Kotori.
Bishop
wondugera. Bishop ngari mthini na bishop mthi one way.
Topi.
Bishop wanga.
Inongoshana namba mfunzi.
Ubone ngwekhulu.
Oh, bala wangi bishop the apostle.
No. I was just the pastor. I don't have pastor.
Pastor Matthew, no, it's apostle Matthew.
How?
No, it's not just a random normal
pastor. I pastor. Kado cheka.
Hey, ungafa bishop wa 7 million.
Ningawabona hivi.
Wapha.
Ejila chidula chabo cha blue chingadzurwa ngane. Wone vadzura kacha black. ndingamupa chiduro and ndoidhisa randomly ndisingohamba uri ndikodhisa ndosikoda on a random Sunday uchipficha fumu mini ndari check ndari ndaisuvisa kawedeipa there ndiyavabona
mara anane ndingaisa 10 million mara petuti
iri mini yeah
ndibona Reverend. Oh yeah, Reverend.
Yeah, hey, iri Rev. Oh yeah, we call him Rev.
Rev check. Yeah, so I'll take 10 million to one church. Davakazo. That's another 9 and I zurela.
Do you, like you know a lot of people still don't believe in tithe. And that's a topic that annoys me. Like it gets to me. What do you
mean it annoys you? I understand it.
No, but why would you take money and take it way? I'd rather take it. I mean, we're not disputing the giving part. You can still give. Mara. For me, I've seen a lot happen with just giving at church. Like, for different times, don't tithe and I'm going to tithe. Maybe it's in my head, but it has always worked for me. Like somehow, so I don't understand when people actually this. I feel like Christians should also get to a point where we don't have to preach about offering anymore. Like, bro.
Offering it's offering time, but we have
you get what I'm saying? Because I'm like, we all see what pastors do for us. We can all see clean. Clean. The music is playing. All these things are happening. Just to come and be presentable to you. And then where do you think all that is coming from? Money is not involved. Huh? You get what I'm saying? I look clean, I'm smelling good. I want to go and I mean, nichipedza zvino hapana topfa tumbikwa ngoba phone bana zvidread ndinyara na madread
tikobata dulu
ndinyara na madread
checker in fact checker
phone we don't get a phone
pastor with dreadlocks goes to heaven.
Why does it sound like nichikosecha zvimwe zviro?
No, I'm just
you're not talking about the masofa.
No, the couch. You can't blame couch.
You're not talking about a phone.
Yeah, like I feel like as Christians, let's get there, guys. Yeah.
I don't
think we need an encouragement to give.
Honestly, let's just give. We need to do it. I don't know if give us to see what I'm going to give after.
Back to Edwin Sodi, he also got a tender 29 million. He and water tower as he feds now. I think they are afariwa also. No, offerwanga to 55 million. Achko it asbestos free state. Ndio ni ya duma into asbestos afariwa ba just goro in Marakola
when was that?
That was in 2020.
Boja dzimwenda dzitopera still.
Zvifanuri weja guru jambo record osara ko omwana mpo mfunzo wa marasta.
Hangu mwana enokuta zvamana vazidana mushumoni. Thank you.
Ini mpori ni mtoni yepe mshumoni.
Ndio mtoni pa
asu mtoni yepe
kunya kubar kwa mana vatu vashu rodzura nepo. Zvimweni wayo
nya ndimafonera nanu kwamba nawo. Angoona vatu ndiri kushuta. Unori nantu wako kusora.
Vada.
Vakwamba na va apsa okunyaga loan yantu. Nyambu ya lobola. Hodori vakoteo mala. So neri dori.
Ningamanga loan ini.
Ne. Yeah. Like the thing is, diche dange ndikuto ilipa in the moon. I find no loan no ipoanga mke guru. That's between you and the bank. Cause ratu marasuka hapo ofi chede ya lobola iti obvaka ini moon. There do bati por jambore ni msazo no maranga basabano. Do bati kushika na hapo. So yeah, mara loan.
No, I'm just saying, would you get to a point where
yani uko tujafano kusikobara uko tudambele ya lobola kan. I'm like, hey.
Yeah, varangana varana chede vaderera.
Ninyi mngana raje dikabe.
No, all my friends are fine. Ngoma babazana.
Kana any friend anena wanayo.
Kabazana rotherana na pain.
Nika
only my guy friends I feel like they're better. You know what Greg wants to do?
Mngana ngara na chede nazo vitamin.
You know what Greg wants to do?
Ano zim mngana ngara na chede vitamin. Niazo kuzofi anamsari kushuta. Tiko difila.
Ndiko pande ko deep pande. And I wish mngani ndio ndana joga gure yawe. Sino
the left and the guy I go to teach Nambidi.
Oh, not yet. Too soon. Nothing I did. Go but we have his on the Melagree Mum. So that car is in his grace, Suzuki, whatever. So, I just let me go to a real car. Nimbus really religious side.
Mara.
I took over and no good job because yo guys, let me go to a real car. I'm like,
Mara is the thing. All I'm asking wow, weti. Hey, that's the thing. Could I'm and the sauce and I become tane.
Oh, only one more ambassador. No catcher.
No man.
No catcher. Like honestly, yeah. So I'm gonna naturally days. They just like.
Nah, man. I don't think we know what to never natural the group yash.
Unless them unamtarna goli mbidir nersina. Sombur una eka group ya
jambo wanachedeka.
Compared to ini.
Ndinazi asset.
Kula kutenzi kudori rasi. Kutenzi kula.
Nina kona kutenzi.
Kwena ndo kuwina.
Nina kutenzi.
Kwena ndo tambra na mamsanda. What do you mean? I've told you before.
Chitenzi chini ngodiri mana visa 100,000 ya visa matombo.
Never. Auna matombo chitenzi njanga. I'll show you a video. Until now.
Ni sende rosimeza watu kichitenzi cha wafa. Watu zibona. Nani kwa wana watu boita ntubo gwamisele na mini. That's foundation.
I was going text that about the gwera buyongwedesh.
Okay, it's fine. And the rich coming as the tenders and to Masara over 1 million.
I don't know.
Was it 2.8 billion or 3.8?
Ila kare.
No, yes, you know January.
Which Masara, the TTM guy? Really?
Tutama Makazi.
Makazi ni mtu wa Masara. Nga Valentine's ango posta na mtu. Makazi. Ango posta like
Mara ndi mtu wa Masara. Zoro posta na nyazo na mshumo.
At least news of vendors yakanganyisa 1 minute and yali show you for your pera utojina ka Facebook yana things are upside
yali show you
yeah chila the new guy the
oh is your manager this time ni chaone
chpt or something and I'm like
chpt
I don't know Major and you ngana want to zonzo chikepeni with someone else and I'm like what's going on here
chikepe someone else ngamba ufenyi
urihango yana mtu wawe and then there's a video that was taken
how could nga Valentine masiki into nobona zwithu
Facebook was just wild.
Enough on Facebook, ma.
I will never leave Facebook because that's where all the jokes are. So je ne sais ça je ne vais pas Instagram pas tout serious ba ko jira butula fake. I go go different bo Hendrik makwendi bo nye lips. Awuna zi morals no values nothing. Uko to ambo ufuna.
Do you feel like last nzonzo social media ya ruins relationship?
I think it does.
Also.
Because I don't know like it is as jealousy, you know. It creates for me. I feel like it would. Niko wana munonga ana well all like as never chingwana muzana. It's like it feels weird, you know. Next thing you're commenting there, you are reacting to pictures.
Or I'll comment something else.
No like. There's no dizamangandira that if I like your picture and you're a guy, it's you guys. Atukonya gore uvulo shnepe iri Wafa and 6 others.
When I history is like into tender unlike us,
please do, man. It comes off as very disrespectful. We don't need you guys. So with guys, they are like zawangana. They like and you. Until like it's random. Because you must respect your person. So D na social media. Social media has ruined relationships. Umuntu vele aku chitele na mail like bahlangana pikanja.
Mara sawukuma.
Ni wona mtu uzira Rolls Royce ngobulishana mlo.
Ngobulishana afike sema kwarela so. Mtawe kufana na mail rapo lukwani.
Yes.
Like no mwana guy ni uyu mutu ngabe nti. Mail buto rumela bathu. Inotangana nengandiraze.
So I really feel like udoburibe wenika social nikuzumla nendo yana operation nemu social media and yeah because nibani ngoba na social so because it's like yo
I'm not saying I'm over there for the business.
Yeah, I guess. So yeah. So I don't know if anyone na social media bana muna na business ya why thought the social media simple.
Imagine the good answer. Ka chine pechan Charlie shia choraro. Only fi Black Couch like ani rasfazoro na maungazino.
Yeah, you know, Ganos go comment and if you know, man,
hey, check guy name.
Chione, you don't chowanya na mara. what I'm saying is
mara
ni
hango
wane
to wa
huna ba ni wane
to
umunna
zero.
wam vatukana huna vatukana ne phala vano kusvika vari dedi mini kone chilo chitukana, and I'm like, it just makes guys, no, it's too eyes boyish, man, come on. Ni wane ngokhomentera mililo kha chinembe zokhorot man ndini wane tsanga ndini wane phala basi
Oh mara
ndini wane tsanga
vewe ni chiri mami ka vazana vonaka
nonompha
vazana vo itawo dzimwe va commenta bad
ndona
uri
muzana
mami
orenga range ati dzuvila muposta
Oh,
ndimungana lo
want-
malori and
Iyo
happy
nakela
mami
range,
nditanga yaveiwa otoranga
so vukuma mamuna like vazana vafuna lungula
I
swisvere
am
muto
so hard, and I'm like ndizvezvo nava nichitamba ndikudzividza upfi mami utotamba
Nga muthu ane
nakerera nga
hatambesi.
muthu ane atambesi
votamba mara
Wabva.
tambesi wabva kutamba mami mililo yone na malavu
nga ndani hava lavane maybe rwaluwa va vatuku kharine, you know, that I get.
Ndi musi ngoita
Ne
damage
ndani na vana
control
va chikoro no ndani na vana va chikoro vanji tizona kuchimira ndikovakomba kai but vaza vafodi
vakoda
novafodi
vakuma
oh va chikoro
no
oh like
vakuma zvino
vuncumisa
yeah
soze
andiendivuza kichi
no, not happening.
hey nandikombura nga ntiti andongwara dzimwe dziprep nga chisati vhura novhura rini I was just thinking chino datonzwa kuti ndikomwari we're gonna talk about this so I'm like nandikombura nga salary ti uri when go say ne
Because I don't have any, so it's a joke to
oh
me.
damn antu vana salary
Oh, ndonova nadzo.
okay and then so ndakombura zori if kama nga salary what's a base salary nini nanga ichiya nangatori hapo for zvena zvigude for industry yano cause endoenda vana conversation vamwe vazidzana think rari kwambori mina muntu opedza chikoro ti and then afika ava kuzokuita something internship ndaro udakuwana kugaya afina it's good money uvakuwana and internship ipaenje uvakuwana 5 ndamuzezo lapsidzana
Kubuza JR.
atorichajr
No,
ndiakele
I think zvibva kuri nekuhamba neguy. Oyo mtu kuhamba pano.
I don't know izvo zvoroshamba rivhendana kana rari hapa
Mana ndikosikosea. Nendovienda zvuma pano ndichikuwana 5 in Joburg somewhere.
kaindastry anobase salary ningari ndibwai
Iye musi nikotoma zvino nichisedza nichiapply iva yongwana 18 to 20 entry. Yeah.
mumwe muthu adani
18 to
kudzori
20.
vayodhara 5
5. Ndodzira guy like do you wanna
so una zvaso futi so I'm like
No, but then hezvo zvithu ndi-stepping ladder. For as much as ndikohamba uri kaindustry yanga zvino, yes.
afi learnership ndithuku niye the internship ini
Learnership ndi 3.5. 3.5 stipend. But no, I wanted 3.5. Man, I vendor, so it didn't really matter. And also, it was 2020. No, graduated in 2020 actually. So I was like, I mean, I'm just trying to get a CV. Ndashuma. No, it was in education. Not one. If you mean over COVID, teacher's assistant. I worked. I did those things. Oh, you never go class in Yangori. I didn't a degree in a minute. They'll put you there, and then I went as general worker that would do like. Yeah, so you used to do like these small things. So I'm saying the stepping ladder. Now what 5? Don't know shuma. What 10? Don't know shuma. So you go higher.
And then would you rather have a low paying salary 10 though kana high paying salary say 7k more than in a 10 though job big
I had 7k more in Joburg. I don't want to stay in Venda, bro.
so jambore
Cause but
no nikohora 5 into 10 though nchidanga pana
No,
than
12.
12
Yeah.
you still take it
Still makes a lot of sense. Think about it.
mara zinto remember
Hela 7 already in the rent and the transport. Yeah, if you're gonna no, dude. Here's the thing: you can't be earning 12,000 and want to open an apartment anymore. That's not gonna happen. Niko do share already. You can't be
even
earning.
if ningo share nango share guy nanyingai
Let's say in Pretoria, unazi apartments are 5,000.
ini Pretoria yafuna ma
It's affordable.
ndari job big mara
Pano tidivi kuri pano zvichimbirisani ngapa mara na midrand ningaiwana ivo ma 5 point something and then you share it. So I'm just saying uri nainini vanikuva ambitious namusi 6 you can pay 3,000 rands
kwadivana dzibhili dzakuma utilities
ngidovona zvichapanda ahuno uri niife ngandara there's no way nichikoshuma
ndingadzura yani
you know what my problem is nife muthu achiri I'd rather have 5 ndava ndikudzura hayani until when
until chida chimwe opportunity chine chidova chikomutakuzavo more than hela 7
mara uri hedzo opportunity dzararo dzide ndinga zidotobva kaya 5 naye kaya 25 so ndikwine nojeya 12 uri nchibva because vanivudzisa uri you know nichikainterview niyavudzwa previous salary yano ndibugaya nari ndi 5 they're not going to give you 25 nikubva ka 5 so rather take a 12 so that when you move
ndikonohamba apa uri ndikohola 5 zvamuri into the next salary should be like 7 or 10 niadzitopupa straight
I know what you're saying I know what you're saying. I've experienced it before. Mara, I'm just saying.
Experience in no man above 5 na ka 20.
I think it was 16. No, I think it was 16. Mara, ibe change jara no baka 5 na ka 16. Ibe ka dibe at that time. So I'm just saying uri zviba zvikwine ubani ka 12 very sorry ndiri ndika 5 because at home I'm not paying. Na isedza nayo na ayani. Na ayani Ningasdori because I'm at home, I'm not doing anything. A 5,000 $. Still, you're gonna have to patch somewhere. If nichumbura, need you that zisa and then go do that thing. Think about it.
One on lifestyle, mama. That's the thing also.
And
no, here's the thing. What do you mean?
Do you think in a lifestyle?
Ne.
Which one?
Like
what? What do you do? Because they're different. Gold Reef City.
Not Gold Reef City. There's a lot. Rosbank and I spend 700 out of nowhere. Angin goes kana.
Yani news cafe ni mtozo niko spend up gaya tendo.
No, ndi da kanoni.
Iyo. Then napano jamburi ninga yana la.
Oh, not in Tuni. Everyone has to see
maguruni. Then like you guys are creating that for niko to dipangela pressure.
That's how people are. There's
a day where I feel like Mabu, but there's a day when there's a day I'll do Lira and there's a day I'll do Kanoni. It's simple. Which you know 350.
I know.
So? You just wanted to bring it up. It's so annoying.
Okay, sorry, it's fine. And then speaking of gifts, talking about gifts, za munganga. Come like.
Kana zila za voda kumvira kuma una gift gani? Ndoluza friendship njisa ngezila gift. Ndoluza sabangana banji. Bachimpane na sichaisa.
Voda kumara ndikare man. Oh, funny enough.
Come see. Zule.
Rutiwana mtoto zi gift nene abadiliwa. Ngaba Vodacom.
Yeah, mara. I never saw the detail.
So nanya ngamori.
Gifts.
On gifts, see? Like you like. Actually, your friends go with it. Like your mom buys you a Kwid as a gift. Would you take it?
Yeah.
Hey, when you're conderera. Go to your mom.
No, nothing regera Kwid.
Boyfriend and Kwid in age.
And I finesse. But you know, better than your report. I guess like to. Kutu kwa red bow tie.
Oh, ni kora kaburi kajibogi hizi. No, the way na ne report kila chitu like ingangoma.
No, that's go better na parking lot. Hey, baby, please. Can I want you to ask the word go da Kwid.
I don't know me na Kwid ka ubashi. Never.
Nendo na ireira ya mngani wanga. You know it's
ini mazungu different mngani.
No. No, ina ubambiri nyana mara, ti.
Ubambiri.
Still a call like it's lies. It's like
oh, yeah.
Like namzinje chagere it feels like you know, I don't know, it feels like no faramini actually, but it's doable.
I know. I don't think I would.
Okay,
I know.
Ningatomojia come in.
Kagure.
Kamiam. Ningatomojia come in.
Ngamba gure. I don't take a Kwid obviously. I'm not sure about it because
Ningatori minichida.
No, kabe umise ma. Atuke itoda. And bako sweep fashion. So ndade twa shezo. Kandare
abari ni rengera yene bapeze bani bakena keke ku Kwid.
Keke ndi dollar it's fine. I don't know do it all.
Kwanga visa mkeguru ne keke ku Kwid.
Mara is the thing, ti. What I would do, nega obzori, ruke umisa. Nduke trade
na gezina.
Not gezina. What's wrong na guri za gezina masi? Ufio keke na guri za gezina. Wewe na mafungo wewe.
I don't know. Na obzori kama pile chene ndio toda ku. You know, I saw a guy during the week unenda zero na akora orenga like a I10 nga 30,000 garabgege. So I'm like, okay. So we were green go this one as kufare. To bring because I'm a girl ndinga opa uto wana like green in you know onesi
wa. Nanda zo pesos. So funga do vetse ndapeza ndo ibizela chedi yote ndiko
niko irugisa. Nyimbo zezo kontakira ndisa funi yano chimbira psiko yozo kontakira ngoma 3. Ngwe bukati. I don't know.
Why do you want a vacuum?
Oh, at the word I don't know.
So Kwid kuhuma then nenda top up and ndabena kuti ndaitakarera.
What would you like? Ukamba ningatoma accept akaipi.
Inimbu zeni guri thuku zinapfonga.
Suzuki Swift.
I will take it. I will take that one.
Ku cute okula.
Yeah, so ndingakuja
ku Swift. Kwid kutona buhole nyana. I don't know what's going on there, but it's a bit weird to look at. It's so bad. Like you can drive definitely from point A to
point B. But
I can take a pic and
I didn't know chito. No, I'm chito. I'm that picture in your head.
That's what happened.
When?
Zvinoga Kwid.
Nichirimin.
Ndichiri ku Kwid kuna buhole. Kuna chihovi ngandasa. Kuna kunya unga venture mara kwasichafuna kwalicha. I don't know. No, I'm not saying it's a bad car. Like
it's a bad car.
Like,
like, I
don't get it. Like honestly, I think vakutodobisa SUV are you after? I don't know what they were trying to do.
Unachi top of the range chaone chinofichi Kwid climber. Na chochizokunga.
Chiko climber chikoka. Why? Why?
Yo,
what was the reason? Why?
Like, I don't know.
Let guys. Nambona ndina kwa blue, kwa red. Anyway.
Nena mbona ndina Kwid guys. Lolo rumwanga umtu kandi kutesta uri kuhani. Asikwanga. Ngaziwe kwanga.
Yena kureira wo ma 2 weeks yange ndiko kuzana number plate. Ndiko chibula bambi.
Ngozokora ndikwa kwa evisi.
Ndazo kutaruchedza na mtu. Titaruchedza mtu enda zironi. Vasikuvaona yo paka.
And then no and no for a gift. Do you think it's right for you to like pass it on? Yeah, actually now not right for Kwid. I
don't think it's right, but
why?
Because mutu onipa uonifanga mbiria way yote you get it. Maybe I think I can't even give it a time frame that maybe after a couple of years or whatever. I think still mutu onipa actually wana mbiria udobaba still doesn't matter. Actually wana ngo ipirisa unless if you talk to that person. It's just like in phone and then I give you my phone. Uriniweni kuishumisa nichiborenga imwe naipa mkona. That's wrong.
What am I supposed to do with this one?
Give it back to me.
But now, no, I wouldn't give back.
No, Anne. You were stranded. I help you out.
Okay, no. Archim is a gift. It's not a gift, Mara. If you think about it.
What is it? So does that mean I fukisa?
Iyo. I ending I wisa kai.
Mariana
I actually say phone, not on tengera phone, like brand new. It's a gift your birthday. And then I'm like, okay, 3 months down the line, then I ring a younger phone. And then Yelani, I pass it on to someone.
Okay, it makes sense. Because no ringero afiliano, then I guess you can do whatever you want to do with it.
It's a gift, bruh, still.
Storisha gift you to be ringan. I don't know gift to Mudau.
No, so my God. SK poster Valentine. That's gift I read the only gift you am down. So what's the worst gift you've received?
The worst. How would you get? School. Just we forget the Indosandi Chambara 5 years later. Choice. How could you do that? Lime. This is a companion. And I really and I go bear because Rarichus those one gets a bit there and as a gift. So I was not really cheat. You know, Rarichi Ranganana. So I'm like, and there's one I said, a high school. That's what every way like is the price of so I was like, yo, this is my boy, this is my nigga. I can't throw it away. Don't understand you got that courage, yo, Chiambarananduni later.
But for such reasons, would you say?
And it's still mutu because it was a gift.
Chichone?
Yeah, Chichone somewhere, I'm sure.
And then is it safe to turn down a gift? If that's the case. Not a manner, I know.
I don't know what that means. Then I can turn it back. I said, get there as Megna than a nature Gwen. Chilachant.
I'm going to come on near Trambas, none street. Not a shoot. It is Rojamba siding. Why goes with I Suzanne.
Marine as your shop, must make it good as done.
If Minilla Chena, you're 179. My David. Pine one. Oh, pine away. My dad could be a wafer.
mara ndori ndikombera simege kuti ndombotinga koni narichotwara rega zvatho yangu.
Okay, wafa atinga koni Carol Boys, atinga koni simege. Chimweni michina ngotoda.
Rengani kamzi glass dzimwepo mara still nadzo ndizokuri pep.
Yakazagaini masiku.
Tinjoka ni worried.
Ndi worried.
Ini ndinombrega shop but now I'm worried. Ndingonyoka ndikina gay.
Ah, no rota China mall.
Okay, namsi mara okay, Carol Boys namsi usi plate. Kana ndrenga pillow. Nje anything.
Wait, ina zipilo na pretty.
I
don't even know the brand.
You should go there. You should go check it out. Hi. Mboja chikon check angi. Yo.
Oh, plate. Ndo ndabona
mara ende ndabona Twitter ikwambura dziko kwashare. Now I'm worried. Or it like adzingo kwata as people
think. Ito
mara and kwamburi adzi different.
No,
Huko dura kopeni.
Here's one thing I
realized. But if you look at it for real,
what I've read, ndiyazina kamborwana oitwa buswa usina isevo asime aitwa museve ukakola namusizano ra ndolana nomfumakadzi ari nepo so zina ndikamila zori I feel like zvine rino normalize ti is that thing yori chomwe chishiswa chine chadhodha rito chisasaradza I don't feel like now there's something wrong with it. People are not going to say anything. Mara kafi Galaxy Boy awana or anything local. The one and hate is never over.
That's true.
That's just what happens. So I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, I guess. Mara also completed the word about your Pangami is it kwashe. I don't know.
When I got to plate the Rambo, who goes to go brace the rhino.
We do a plate them in the plastic.
That's in plastic. Simple as that.
Urochola upisare bono dia vera completed.
Chirumbireve. I'm like,
that's not gonna work. That is not gonna work. As I hate it.
Yeah, there's a midweek. Realize something.
Mzangu realize zvisina mushumo.
Azvina mushumo.
Ini ndiogera mavudzi netsinhunga TB Joshua.
Nandikozumulori kuregera zina Renault.
Vavhala late. Angaswera ngauzo.
Changu kutingakira mabudzi omwa.
Ndoshuta robonya.
Nero zori Anton.
Who is that? K. Ari mfana wanga. Domfona ele.
Funa la mumwe. Ndalivara vachiri
Kama fare. No. Hey, Kari, she's shooting. She's shooting.
When Kari kawala mtu ngapala naye. Hey, what is TK? The video call?
No, it's not a video call.
The video call?
Busy. Ni mungano wanga utoba right.
Okay. So now Kari, mtu. Yeah, ndelezo iPhone. Do you know that identical twins vakonovula phone za vote? Plus I'm like, what?
But that's how it should be though, because bafana.
No, but then zvitambo iPhone ikubarera. Because literally
iGMini zvabudibudi.
Narichena privacy zvino. If ndina litini.
iGMini. Ishumze mini.
I don't know.
Because I feel like your focus is a kamato. Don't you think? Hey, marasimato ngori nende ivula ndombara shades. Just kopeni nje. Damn.
I saw this other.
Somebody look alike yang look alike.
No. Don't know.
People used to say I look like Ini Edo when I was young. You know Ini Edo, that Nigerian actor.
Obviously, I'm Nigeria. Kana.
I look like I'm asking because do you watch Love Is Blind?
Urufana nani? Don't check Ini Edo.
Arishofana zvino ndivomupira. I know I'm way prettier
than
her
old now.
No, she's old now.
Oh, Ini Edo. Nerifana nani?
TB Joshua.
Don't want to say that.
Don't know rape.
Eh?
Rapist, guys. Anyways, I'm just kidding, R. Kelly. But as I was saying, people used to say I look like her, but I don't think we look alike now anymore. Because I'm bored. So she's just like.
Oh, upintu. Vasi zenantu. Nazibibele zote zentu. Edwin Sodi aitantu azifanda.
Tikobizwa.
Nazo kala jiye.
Mwana mwanga sara flat. Zingabiyesa.
Shakola there is go theory.
Zingabiyesa.
So, iPhone mashona iko barelwa. Then rikote umera kame ka fingerprint because at least either different. Because now, like, hold on, okay, hey, can you open a phone?
Yeah, fingerprint is
She was like, yeah, I can. That kite
But
in
the
the wall.
fingerprint is...
It's what?
I don't know. I feel like it kills the whole iPhone thing. Like, river go meraga Android ngashtuku.
No, mara
Ne ngambora ndadoifara phone ndawana yinsumbedza kandi vegune. Zvitonga rarika rukomera ka pattern.
Neke ndidito ita gune zvabuti. It's so nice, so ka screen. Tadzo ndela ngambra.
Ishi, limbora. Kune imwe phone zvino inokufana na iPhone ndoibona namse lift ina camera za 4.
Naye wola mntu kana washikipa wena kutobvera futi. Mtanga una camera nga ina phone inonga kent iPhone.
Ndoibona ndotoma. Unamba vatholiwa. Uri men uri uchapo. Uri men
Vari unaka lumwe.
Oh dada.
Boro dada ndofunga boro unaka lumwe. Sorry guys.
Utomubonisana.
Oh, video call.
But video call it to man unlock a phone.
Oh, okay.
Hadu pachikuwa zvavude. That's
and
all that's. And one more
Hey. Nice TK here. So they're still shooting.
Angabo TK pads. Opa TK pads ke zvo azviti zvavude. Dziyasiyana nyana.
Okay, let's dissect this statement. Ngofa. We're dissect this statement. Nimbuze view ya nonga cheniti. Ofi a woman is born with value. That is why she has to preserve it. See? And then that is why a past matters. See? However, a man is born with zero value. He has to build it, and that is why his future matters more than his past. What do you think of that?
Nonsense.
That's nonsense, Ningo.
Nah.
That's
a
100.
woman is born with value. She must bullshit.
Niazondifuna mini.
It's not
Uri suzineza rombilu ntio kwatanyana namzukushuti.
Azvina mushumo man.
Mara ndingo.
Ndi mutu avodidzurera ene ovodivhaisiwa vokabubudzana vakutuma.
Nah, man.
It's
okay, why calls him Rizwambo ngamtukana?
Because auna mufumakadzi ananga zvihambe izvozvo.
Why? Ngori nini ngazijameni fanga there's no man who can think like that.
Okay, it's cool. Ari zvambo wanga mufumakadzi, it's okay. But I'm just saying, Uri, it hasn't been proven. Like, prove it. How?
Every guy out there on social media knows. And
funny enough, it was yesterday when I shared Hela Yori, men love talking about. Oh, my phone is so far. So,
paraphrase.
Yeah, ichikwambori. Vanna vafuna but wambanga value uri vafumakadzi vayawa value but vanna vayawa value as well. Una vatu vane ini napira kavo. Me as a girl, I wouldn't want to be with you because una petu inapira on. So past matters as well.
That's rare.
Rare. There's a girl that if you would do ndoni writer of ndoni visa can I'm like it was to Mwamba. What do you mean? You know I wouldn't say.
No, but I'm just like
it's out. For me, you are no.
That's just you trying to match to Zambo and they have those already go like Muzana. I feel like Muzana Nemune when you see it, Zoro una mean she's valueful, una value like it is valueful in the village.
But you guys
like I ran for this. She has value trombone. That's why in the last of me, one of Zana would zika they're not out there. I was go party. The last name can have respect. Baba offer sort of cause they feel like, oh, okay. Mariani Nimtane like not to out
she's
there.
all over the place.
Yeah. So now okay, anyone can just go like, okay, as Mtane she's that precious.
But that's the same thing that goes for men.
No, with a guide.
Munna anu amba na muzana mwena mwe are approachable. I don't want that.
With the guys, iningo shimsa scenario dingasi shoemaker each statement. With the guys, he has to build it first. You're not just gonna build or you are cool, I mean. And you know, finance is also.
I get that.
Exactly. And that's what you value also. I don't feel say 50,000 now you know what you're gonna do. We've spoken about this in previous episodes. Love choose the love over charity.
I choose. Nena mtu angari kutolisana kota.
But you know, like guys, this way, then fonga muzana ubebwana veil and the veil away to
I say vera dinner.
Veil away to depreciate. If
okay, let's put it like this, ne. Uko firine ribebwa nayo yabe ikototsa if you don't
and
take care of it.
They are able to maintain their feelings.
Okay, so still we need to work on it. That's what you're saying. Still need to you need to work on it. You need to
Here's the thing.
Take care of yourself, dress properly, which is the same thing that you guys are doing.
How many people are out there just because not to
Exactly. So why are we talking about value?
Value comes down.
We should allow
value yamsidzana zvitobva kuri value amini chimbona and infinite kufunga okay mtani okay wabika respect nayo all those things abasangojena chikoro na mina I'm like oh okay I value this kind of person and ndakatova nayo children yanga na mina the same way ine mwanga the value mini okay nyaga mtu anotaripa I don't want someone who udoitera vana vamabhari all those things because okay I'm just assuming because vafumakadzi determine and knowledge yamwana apparently so. And then ininga happen on the other side.
So much money to be in the you can't talk
for 5 minutes.
It's fine. Mara, what I'm saying is kananari una value blind because she's respectful, she loves God, she comes from a good family. Marango jena shkoro. Momutu ari ene ukoto da ojena shkoro. Namsasa kono big. So here's my chat. Why are we talking about value? Are value yamuna yampot safani? Why are you putting a tag on it?
There's a common ground here.
Like what? Let me finish. Let me talk.
No, I can't do it. Oh, this is not going to be.
I told you this. Ndandikadisa phanda ndandikutamba ndichipumula ndiyambandichavera sonjena
marachipi ngati
ini ndijambana chipika
ndimpower 1 hour.
Okay, sharp. But this is what I'm saying. Havana mfumakazi, especially I see it ngamandisa with white women.
White.
Yeah. They don't cook at all. They don't do laundry. But then usually they don't even get like too educated. Waiter like this small courses where comes like something small. No, I want to try it out. Oh my word.
No, no, madam, you started all the things.
Don't do that.
Why was it going out of nowhere? I think we're going to poke tour.
Okay, wait. So what I'm saying is value adifani. And in the as long as Ashibika, whatever and whatever comes from a good family, like I said, Mara. And it's not just about that. There's a person you must come back at home and talk to every single day of your life. Home to mom. Oh yeah,
so podcast you fast is
but what I'm saying is this is a person I need to go to your office every day when you come back from work. Yes, you're going out there to make money, yada. But I need to open a conversation. Come to grade 3. What exactly are you gonna say? Let's say you want a big project.
It's funny how that's what most men need. Because
this is why Rina divorce and the moment cheating. You want to go get a woman you can talk to after work. Because
it's not really proven.
Are clueless. As cheating is proven. Don't even try. Not really that. Usually right? Via a mind that's going to challenge them. No, baby, I did this, but that's wrong. So a yes woman, usually those women are like yes women.
Your past is deep. How many people you've slept with determine or and then
that's if he knows, yeah.
That's if he knows. As long as you have money. Not one of those you. The car or you. All those things. But then, if I own experience, but then if he has money, hey, mar outi. afi ila friend mini yo pira kanyi. I'm like, hey, okay. Empo ningwa nilimwe. Simple like this.
Avana vasinandava, hey.
Ndiwewe ndiapo
No, ndikamba vana.
Uri masinanda uri mtu unopera kwatu vangana.
Yeah. And this is what you men usually do.
Nane reaction anga ndiyo mambo.
This is what you men usually do, Timpo. Mutu udori, I've seen a lot on Facebook, don't you example unovara. Mutu udori no nemfumekadzi wanga haiti mini so just because of a vendor ayajia whatever ane matangange amudiva. Uri abuye na ye vendor.
Ndizvinera kwamba zvo uri hazvidivi.
Also what you're saying is value aina problem as long as you don't know.
No, like if not those body count ya ono wafara kwamba ngoma 17 zvi. Okay, 17 yodaresa so 7.
Why? It's like a 2.
7. It's like a 2. And that's the thing. Uko they do. Dwale mngana numtia do dambar. Mini yushuka then when I don't nenge cheshpinga is like, oh damn. And those ones are my out years of fee, mini atan truths and then go to. Nangono zura. So I'm like, that's just how value is, cause the relationship.
At the end of the day, mutu onotakadza mtu kana ito zviambe na zviambe mara uri nikododzura ari mufumakadzi yavo kopfi ovaka OnlyFans inini chitodo ka OnlyFans huitwa mini and whatever. If she makes you happy, she makes you happy. Nido mudiseriwa mumwe ane straight uimba panda kirikeni, but if she doesn't make you happy, nato vasedza vafunzi navona zvava mufumakadzi avana na joke nanti. Bachikoni bora mara vamuzalwane, and then what? Guys, at the end of the day, nene zori past yavutu yaituzani na future because future need determine. Why we only chiko to your workers we can't determine. I don't know how you're going to be in the next 5 years.
That's why I need to hear mtana dwana chirede zvino because you feel like hela ntu udo maintain chedu do kuna maintain so habo nosokora already ndele baby ndiko pusha mixtape udo uya uphumelela now it's just risky now because amujia mara
stay by bed guys.
So guys,
you want the 10,000 and perform stadium
29 za May date your vote ndazo do you want so it's out now 29 za May go vote
ndo mwana ngora vote for
tungori vote for me ndo poster wapha
red couch
not. Yeah, I'll go promote you.
Let's
so
go.
Anything you want to say?
Oh, Sip and Paint, guys. People have started buying tickets, and that's nice. That's exciting. I'm not going to see you in Ghana. Okay,
yeah, guys, tickets are moving.
Tickets are moving, bro. Yo, tickets are moving.
But I got time there.
And I'm to renga. But anyways,
yeah.
No, mara udombudza tiva vangana vanga udombudza chino vanji vato nsendere vachirenga because vamwe navana vako struggle ukuri no ndiitisani up and then I'll know okay she's buying a ticket so but anyways guys, let's meet in Venda. Are we still shooting in Venda? Not confirmed as yet.
Oh no, I had to confirm you mara ndoisa leo chote na there
okay
for it to be possible
on time
so yeah guys
let us love and live
achina zvinji ratori okay bye now you are to read it I'm sorry why could you then very mambo
ari go prego unabvana ngatabelo angadara beda bukati
pero dolata belo na
ai any wafuna badi mazalwane
na no sokuvala buyani angovali udodwana mina dana vala wani kurufuna mazalwane
chilo chizena chachita mfunzi
valani
Miana.
You told me last. Wait, guys. So, wait. I know Renault car. Doctor Nandi Pama good money lost both a freedom and airline. The caption I want.
Between me and her, the only thing I have is the freedom.
And airline. Airline in detail. Bye, guys.